Hello and welcome back to our crochet channel. Today I'm going to show you how to make this adorable flower cluster bag charm. It's the perfect accessory to add a lovely handmade touch to your bags, backpacks, or even as a thoughtful gift. We'll be using 3mm yarn and a 2.5mm crochet hook for this project. So, get your materials ready, grab your favorite drink, and let's enjoy crocheting together. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and like this video to support our crochet community. Let's get started. For round 1, make a magic ring. Crochet 6 single crochets into the ring and slip stitch to close. Great start. You're building the center of your flower. Tip: keep your stitches loose enough to work comfortably in the next rounds. For round 2, chain 1, then make 6. Increases, that's 2 single crochets in each stitch around. Slip stitch to close. Your flower is beginning to expand. Well done. Tip: count your stitches to make sure you have 12 at the end. Moving to round 3, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet, 1 increase 6 times. Slip stitch to close. Beautiful progress. You should now have 18 stitches. Tip: place a stitch marker if you tend to lose track. For rounds 4 through 7, chain 1, then make 18 single crochets around for each round. Slip stitch to close each round. Keep going, you're shaping the body of your flower. Tip: keep your tension even to maintain a nice, round shape. You're doing great. For round 8, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet, 1 decrease, 6 times. Slip stitch to close. Nice work. You're now closing up the flower to prepare for the final petals. Tip: if you're stuffing, do it before fully closing. For round 9, chain 1, then repeat 1 single crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 double crochet, 1 half double crochet, 1 single crochet, 6 times around. Slip stitch to finish. Wow, look at that. Your flower has come to life. Tip: make your stitches relax to let the petals curl naturally. Now let's make the string. Chain 30 and attach both ends to 2 flowers. Awesome! You're connecting them beautifully. Tip: adjust the chain length if you want the flowers closer or further apart. Chain 30 again and repeat for the other 2 flowers. You've got a nice chain of flowers starting to form. Party popper. Next, chain 25, attach one end to one flower and the other end to the 30 chain string you just made. Chain 15 more, turn, and then chain 35. Finally, slip stitch to the last flower. Fantastic work. Your flower cluster is now complete and ready to hang. Tip: adjust chains if you'd like your arrangement to hang differently. Time to add the leaf. Chain 17, turn, skip 1, then work SC, HDC, DC, TR, DC, HDC, SC, chain 1, skip 1, repeat C, HDC, DC, TR, DC, HDC, SC, chain 1, then C, HDC, DC, TR, DC, HDC, SC, chain 1, skip 1, C, HDC, DC, TR, DC, HDC, SC. Slip stitch to finish. Lovely job adding this natural touch. Tip: gently shape the leaf with your fingers after finishing for a more defined look. And there you have it. Your beautiful flower cluster bag charm is ready to bring color and joy to your daily accessories. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and leave a comment below letting us know what you'd like to crochet next. Thanks for crocheting with me. See you in the next video.